Hello guys, in this video we're going to see some basic steps to design a program. To design a program, a programmer must determine three basic steps: the instruction to be performed, the sequence in which these instructions are to be performed, the data required to perform this instruction. For example, adding of two numbers using Python. This video is available in our channel. To solve the problem using computer, the solution steps should be followed. A problem must be analyzed thoroughly. Solution method is broken down into sequence of small tasks. Based on the analysis, an algorithm must be prepared to solve the problem. The algorithm is expressed in a precise notation. This notation is known as a computer program. The computer program is then fitted into a computer. This instruction in the program is executed one after other, and the final outputs the separate result. For any kind of problem statement, we have many solutions. We want to pick best solution among all the solution. We want to analyze is the problem. Once we get the solution, we want to prepare the algorithm for the particular problem. Using the algorithm to create a program is easy. Once a program is created, program is fed into the computer. Computer run the program and give the result. These are all the basic steps to solve the problem statement. In this video, we see some basic steps to design a program. Next video, we will see problem solving techniques. Till that, be safe. We will see in next video.